out this 1954 Chevrolet Sedan delivery. I'd consider this a street rod with the chap top, custom headlights, aftermarket wheels. Very nice paint in this car. The problem with it is how you see in the videos and even the pictures is it comes off as kind of a teal blue. This car is truly more of a metallic green with maybe a little tint of teal to it. So I'll try to move around when I do the kind of video walk around here for you and see if I can get it to pop out kind of the true green color, but it's tough with the fluorescent lights and how the camera works to get it to the true color that I'd like to be able to show you. It's like I said, it's a little more of a green metallic with a little teal to it. Anyway, we'll see if we can come up with a spot I can kind of show you. 54 Chevrolet Sedan delivery. Does have a crate 350 underneath the hood. Phi-Tech fuel injection system on that. March serpentine belt system also. So nice setup underneath there. Also power steering, power brakes. It does have AC. So very nicely equipped, right on the American racing wheels, and as you can see up front you got disc brakes. So this thing is a reliable vehicle, take down the road, a lot of modern amenities to it. It does have a Camaro front clip underneath it. Aftermarket stereo system's been installed inside. I believe it's Pioneer. Nice setup on the inside. You can check out the still pictures, so maybe you get a little bit better idea of the color in there. Here, this is turning back a little. You get back here and you see a little more green to it. But check out the still pictures and you can see the engine bay, how nicely done it is. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call if you'd like to discuss anything on this car. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. There you kind of almost get an idea right in here where that green is showing up because of the natural light coming through the door back there. But boy, you got to be just right on it to kind of get that green paint cast to it. But very cool paint on it. See the Frenched in taillights, custom exhaust coming out through the bumper. Just all the way around, kind of a cool looking sedan delivery that's been chapped. Look how smooth that gas cap was put in there. So it's kind of a hidden look to a gas cap. This does have the electronic door poppers. So I'll slip around. We're going to grab the keys off the counter here. By the way, a few other things on the interior when we get in there. It does have, like I said, that Pioneer stereo system to it. It has VDO gauges, kind of a custom dash. Also has intermittent wipers and 6-way power seats. When the gas and fuel line and everything was finished on it, it does have stainless tank in the back too, which you can check out those underside pictures. You'll see how clean the underside is of the car, and check out that stainless tank and how everything was set up on the underside. Again, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Pop the door, check out the insides, the door cards. There's your power windows, power seat, nice center console, the carbon fiber insert around the shifter. There's those kind of custom done up VDO gauges in there, billet specialties wheel, tilt column. Again, very nicely equipped and finished. See the headliner. It's got dual interior lights there, which do work when you open up the tailgate to see in there. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright, check out the gauges. Looks like everything's working properly there. Temp gauge will come up once it warms up. Check out kind of the center console. There's your Pioneer radio install, AC and heat controls. You can see how they did the vents. There's another one down over on this side. They've kind of done up that custom dash. Nice little rumble out of it. See some side vents there also. Both sides of the center console did a nice job of plumbing in the vents for the AC. There's a carbon fiber insert. Slip around to the back and check out. You can see how it runs. nicely. That door closes. Nice little rumble out of that 350. If you look down the side here, how you can kind of see here, you get a little more green cast to it. That's maybe a little more the true color of the car than up kind of here where you see this more teal color. Again, it's just kind of tough with the lighting and how the camera's working. I'm going to pause this a second. We're going to pop this hood open so you can see how nice it looks on the underside of the hood and the engine bay. Alright, got the hood open, prop rod in there, come with the car. There you can see the serpentine system, how nicely engine bay is painted up, how smooth that engine runs, polished aluminum on it. And like I said, that is a Crate 350 paired with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. There you have it. Like I said, check out any of the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, and feel free to give us a call if you have any questions on it or like to inquire about it. Maybe check on the shipping of the vehicle. We can be reached at 507-386-1726.